Data Analytics Reference Architectures. Modern Data Analytics Reference Architecture. 1. Data is collected from multiple data sources across the enterprise: SaaS applications, edge devices, logs, streaming media, flat files, and social networks. 2. Based on the type of the data source: AWS Database Migration Service, AWS DMs, AWS Data Sync, Amazon Kinesis, Amazon Managed Streaming for Apache Kafka, AWS IoT Core, Amazon App Flow, and AWS Transfer Family ingest the data into a data lake in AWS. 3. AWS Data Exchange integrates third-party data into the data lake. 4. AWS Lake Formation builds the scalable data lake, and Amazon S3 is used as the data lake storage. AWS Glue Data Catalog is a centralized metadata repository. 5. AWS Lake Formation also enables unified governance to centrally manage the security, access control, and audit trails. 6. AWS Glue and AWS Glue Data Brew Catalog transform, enrich, move, and replicate data across multiple data stores and the data lake. 7. Amazon Managed Service for Apache Flink is used to transform and analyze streaming data in real time. 8. Amazon QuickSight provides machine learning, ML, powered business intelligence. 9. Amazon OpenSearch Service offers operational analytics. 10. Amazon Redshift is a cloud data warehouse. With federated queries, you can query and analyze data across operational databases, data warehouses, and data lakes. 11. Amazon EMR provides the cloud big data platform for processing vast amounts of data using open source tools. 12. Amazon SageMaker and AWS AI services can build, train and deploy ML models and add intelligence to your applications. 13. Amazon Redshift Spectrum and Amazon Athena enable interactive querying, analyzing, and processing capabilities. Athena supports Apache Iceberg for data and AWS Glue Data Catalog. 14. Amazon Aurora offers high performance and availability at global scale. Aurora supports zero ETL integration with Amazon Redshift. Build Operational Analytics Pipeline Reference Architecture. 1. Logs are streamed to Amazon CloudWatch from various data sources. 2. Amazon CloudWatch subscription filters stream log data to Amazon Kinesis Firehose for distribution. 3. Logs intended for batch processing are delivered to an Amazon Simple Storage Service, Amazon S3, bucket. It will serve as a backup for storing the raw logs. 4. Logs intended for real-time analysis are delivered to Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics. 5. Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics derives metrics, which are sent to a Lambda function for processing. The Lambda function transforms the metrics and ingests them into Amazon OpenSearch. If a condition is met that requires alerting, the Lambda function will publish a message to the Amazon Simple Notification Service, Amazon SNS, for distribution. 6. Amazon Simple Notification Service notifies consumers of the alerts by publishing the alert to an email and SMS notification topics. 7. AWS Glue collects the logs from Amazon S3 and performs bulk processing, transformation and analysis. AWS Glue uses the Amazon OpenSearch connector to ingest the results into Amazon OpenSearch. 8. An OpenSearch dashboard is used to visualize the metrics from Amazon OpenSearch. Monitoring streaming data with machine learning. 1. Data is collected from multiple data sources across the enterprise and the edge using Amazon Kinesis data streams many SDKs with support for languages like Java, Net, C++, Python, JavaScript, and others. 2. Data persists and is sent to Amazon Simple Storage Service, Amazon S3, by Amazon Kinesis Data Firehouse. AWS Lambda can be used to enrich data prior to storage in Amazon S3. 3. Initial data preparation and aggregation is performed using Amazon Athena. Prepared and aggregated data is stored in Amazon S3. 4. Amazon SageMaker is used to train a forecasting model and create predictions of future behavior. These can be predictions for either statistical descriptions, for example sample counts and standard deviations, or business-oriented aggregations, for example transaction values. The predictions are stored in Amazon S3. 5. As new data arrives, it is aggregated and prepared in near real time by Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics. The resulting prepared data is compared to the previously generated forecast. 6. Using another AWS Lambda function, the forecast and actual values are written as metrics to Amazon CloudWatch. 7. When actual values deviate significantly from the forecast, a CloudWatch alarm triggers an incident in AWS Systems Manager Incident Manager to trigger an investigation or remediation. Thanks for watching.